Welcome to another Windows 11 tutorial. So for this video, I'm going to show you the new settings app homepage and new features in Windows 11. We were expecting some changes and new features on our Windows 11 soon for a few days or a few months. So for example, we will have this screenshot right here, the new homepage on our system app. As you can see right here, the new homepage, we will have a try Microsoft 365 right here, and then it will show that it was very different on the current homepage on our settings up on our Windows 11. And you can also see at the middle is saying this is storage data loading page, and then at the bottom finish securing your account. And to the other screenshot right here, as you can see, it's all here with Microsoft account. So we will be expecting that feature, the new changes on the setting up homepage on our Windows 11. Well, actually, if you already update your Windows 11, you will find here on settings, here on accounts, you'll find a different feature right here. As you can see, there are rewards up there, 36 points. I don't know what's that, and has a OneDrive right here. And if you scroll down, you'll find try Microsoft 365 for free. So you can sign up your account so you can see this Microsoft 365 family. One convenient subscription to share with up to 5 others, includes premium office apps and up to 6 terabyte of cloud storage. So you can try the 365 tools over there. And here on account settings, you will find other settings, the additional settings right here in related settings. Added some subscriptions, payment methods, or payment options right here on your account settings. So that's are the basically the new features or new updates on our Windows 11, and soon, few days or a few months, we will have that additional features, which the different or the updated homepage of our settings app. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on our next video.